Let's draw heroes! Welcome to another episode of GoGoMachRocketSheep. Today we are drawing heroes, easy, medium, and hard mode. It's going to be a lot of fun, but before we do that, let's get into the drawings that y'all sent me last week from last 2 weeks of worth of videos. So let's check them out. Easy mode. So to start off with easy mode, we're going to need to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3, and then draw with pencil so that you can ink later. So we're making 3 heads. An easy way to make a head is just to make a circle and then draw it down a little bit. You see this little area right here where your chin and the circle match. We are going to consider that right here, and that's a little ear. So an ear goes right there. Ear, 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 ear. Alright, not bad. Okay, then at the bottom here, the bottom of the circle, you do a little nose line, just do a little line for the nose, a little bump. That works for now. And then under the line, halfway in between the nose and the chin, to a mouth, just a little line, little line, little line. Okay, then the eyes at the top of the ear. You can divide the circles into half. Oopsies. Like so. Okay, and then at the top of the ear. Okay, I'm going to draw a little circle right there. And those are the eyes. Okay, sort of. Okay, now we're going to make these superheroes, of course. And what everybody knows about superheroes is that they have different masks. So you have like, well, unless you're Superman, then you don't wear a mask. But Batman, for example, he has a mask that covers the top of his head. So all of this area right here is a mask. Then who do we have? Then you have the opposite, where they're like a ninja style, where they have a mask that comes like this, right? Well, like a COVID style mask where it covers your mouth and your nose. Maybe this one, let's say it's got coverings over his ears, and let's give the eyes a little angry shape, little angry triangles, like so. Maybe he's got antennas. You got to give him a theme. So this guy's going to be Lightning Bolt Man. Of course, you can make him whatever you want, but he's going to have his emblem right on his forehead there. Okay, something like that. This one's going to be the other way. He's going to be a ninja, which means that we got to do a little bit better job on the eyes there. So you have those circles. Just add a couple little lines like that, and then you could add eyebrows. So we'll make that into an actual mask, like so. Very nice. Give him cool hair. That's what he needs. Maybe he's got long hair. And of course, it doesn't have to. You don't have to make boy superheroes. You can make girl superheroes. It doesn't matter. Whoever you want to make, you go right ahead. He needs emblem as well. We're going to do a lot of emblems. So he's wearing a headband, and we'll make it really messy, and of course we'll clean it up with our inks later. This guy's emblem is just going to be a triangle because I can't think of anything better right now, and a triangle seems kind of ninja-like, so there we go. Okay, and then we have our, like Spider-Man, we'll do a full mask like Spider-Man. So Spider-Man has big eyes, but this guy isn't going to be Spider-Man because copyright reasons. I don't want to, get copyright violations. So, but this guy's going to have big eyes on his mask, and then it's just going to be like a spandex mask that covers the ears, and covers the forehead. So just kind of draw like that, and then we're gonna do a cool design. He's gonna have a spike that comes down like this, maybe spike on the side, and then yes, the nose will be completely covered. We're still gonna have, you can kind of see the nose like that. Okay, of course now I'm gonna take some ink and color him up, but you can see like it's really easy to come up with a hero if you just, you know, you start with the basics of a head and then you just add stuff to make it look cool. It's a lot of fun designing heroes. Medium mode. Alright, now for medium mode, we're gonna draw a full hero, like the full body. Doing something heroic. I did boy heroes for the first one, so maybe I'll draw a girl superhero for this one. Okay, so you want to draw, you start with stickman, right? And you got to draw your stickman in a cool pose. Let's draw a superhero jumping through the air. Okay, so we're going to draw it. So you start with your stickman, start with the head, you draw the body and the arms and the legs stick style, and then you add some flesh to that by adding circles and tubes to make the body more fleshed out. You can add the cape and the hair and other details that'll make it look more like a person, and you just take that pencil and keep refining it until it looks the way you want. Then you can add ink and clean it up and add some color and make it look good. There we have our medium mode stickman. That was pretty fun. It's fun to draw that. Now on to hard mode. Alright, for hard mode today, what we're going to do is you find a picture of somebody in your life who you consider a hero, and then you draw them. Try to draw it as best as you can. This week you may have noticed that all of the modes were a bit more difficult than they were the last 2 weeks. Well, that's because I think it's good to challenge yourself. Sometimes when you draw hard things, you might want to quit because it doesn't turn out 100% the way you want it to. But don't quit. If you draw every day and draw new things every day, over time you'll get better at drawing. You've just got to stick with it. Alright, so that's my hero. My hero is my wife. I love her dearly. She's the best. And I thought I would try to draw a portrait of her. And the first picture of her I found in my phone to draw off of was this, and I have no idea what's going on. But it's I thought it was kind of funny. And it looks somewhat like her. Probably with more practice and longer time, I could get it to look a little bit better. But unfortunately, I'm out of time for today. I don't have much more time to draw, and I still have to edit this video together, so I'm out of time. Anyway, make sure that you send me your easy or your medium or your hard mode drawings to share with everybody, because I love seeing them. It's honestly like a highlight of my week, and hopefully you like seeing your drawings up on these videos too. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.